Okay.
Thank you.
Like that.
Got it?
Yeah.
Go over this way so we can get you in the picture. There you go.